Alright, hi guys. So, now you have gone and put your floor plan into SketchUp. It's time to start building on it. So it works exactly the same way that we've been doing it. Start with a rectangle, go from corner to corner, but as you'll see, it's not always necessarily going to line up on the corners perfectly. That level of detail is fine. We're not going to be concerned about getting everything 100% perfect because, again, we're not scanning this with proper scanners. As soon as you draw a flat shape, make it three-dimensional. Always, always, always do that. And let's say that I wanted to make my exterior walls now. You think I should leave a gap for windows and doors? No, we'll put that in after. So I made another rectangle. I will extrude it upwards. And what I'm going to do now is start moving the walls off to the side, closer to where I'm going to need them on the plan. Now, how do I see my plan through this? The answer is get the select tool and hide the two floor layers, and there we go. Now I can see my floor plan. I can then adjust the walls as far in or out as I need them. Again, that wall is going to be a little bit off just because of the curve of the paper. And from there I can start building my other shapes within there. So for this wall right here, I might draw a rectangle there and extrude it out this way. And then similarly, since again there's going to be a door right there anyways, I will fill it all up completely with walls. I can take this one and bring it all the way to the edge over there. As for decorations like appliances and toilets and sinks and beds, those can all be brought in from the 3D warehouse. Same with doors, windows. Unless you want to make those yourselves, then you can do that too. But that in a nutshell is how to build the walls over top of the floor plan. Don't forget that you can then go to edit and unhide to get the floor back, and there is the first floor of my house.